We're just moving stuff around in this video. Let's go. These two systems, Pix2048 and Tileboy, need to be at the top of our dependency chain, and we're going to move them around. So in video 185, we just moved this chunk. We're in const macros by section. Then in the data by system, we took these chunks in 185 and we have moved them. So we don't want to say that we wrote this code in video 185, we just moved it in video 185. And then for all of this stuff, it's quite a lot of code for Pix2048 functions and Tileboy function, like quite a lot of code. You can check out the code if you really want to see this, but it's a basic cut paste. That's all we did. We cut pasted it and then made notes in the margins that the code has been moved. Why are we moving it? Well, we're moving it because it should be logically at the top of our dependency chain. It's very low-level stuff and therefore belongs at the top. We didn't get any mistakes in our code because we are including all of the data before we include any of the functions, and therefore we can avoid artificial dependency loops, unlike those OOP suckers that tightly couple their data and functions together. So this is all we did. We moved the system Pix2048 and system Tileboy to the top of the file, and you can check out the code right here if you want me to cover this in more detail, which I don't know why you would, but you can go here if you want. This has been video 185, Pix2048 B4 ArtGirl.